Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Visual Teacher and Pawan. In this tutorial, I am going to give you the last version of Vmos Pro Mod application that comes with almost all the unlocked features of Vmos Pro. So let's get start our video and see how we can install, run and setting up this application to work with all ROMs of Vmos Pro. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, now you need to download the application that I added to description of this video. Then you can install it on your phone and then you need to open that application and complete this startup process. Now when it comes to here, you can see there are so many Vmos ROMs. Let's see, try to download the Vmos VIP ROM to check whether our motor application is working or not. Now you can see it's also downloading. Almost all of these four ROMs are downloading, but I am not going to download these ROMs. I am going to restore a previous backed up ROM. Now our ROM installation process is completed. Then I am going to open root and expose features to this ROM. Now you can see our root and exposit is enabled successful. Let's we try to run this ROM and see whether is our root and exposit features are successfully installed onto this ROM or not. Now click here and click on soft reboot option. Again click on soft reboot. Now you can see our exposit feature is working successful, and you can see super user is also working. Let's we try to restore another ROM and see whether is our Vmos Pro mod application is perfectly working with another ROMs or not. So we have a problem of installing that ROM, so we need to pause, stop the app and run it once again. Then your problem will be fixed. Now you can see our two ROMs are successfully installed. Let's we try to restore another ROM. So you can see that ROM is also successfully installed. Let's we try to run another ROM and check whether if we can run two more ROMs at once or not. So when it comes to here, you can see there are two more ROMs are running at once on this Vmos Pro mod application. So with this, I'm going to wind up this video, and also this mod application will work on Android 12. So thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Thank you.